In this video, we're going to help you to buy crypto on Kraken, showing you how to buy crypto with a bank account or credit or debit card. And there'll be a timeline in the video description, as well as some sign-up links if you're brand new to Kraken. Plus, I've also got a full Kraken tutorial available if you're looking for a little bit more. First up, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. To create a personal account, you're going to need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Then, before you can go ahead and start buying crypto or using certain parts of the site, you will need to go through an element of KYC, which is also known as Know Your Customer. This is required for the majority of crypto exchanges, and it means adding personal information such as your legal name, verifying your phone number, photo ID, and this is to confirm your identity just so that Kraken knows who you are. Once you've signed up, we can then go ahead and buy. We'll just head to the portfolio page now. Under cash, I have both a US dollar balance and a small amount of pound sterlings, which we're going to deposit into. And there's a few different ways that you can deposit. As you might have seen, this option is available on several quick links throughout Kraken so far. And there's also a page that we can navigate to from the left-hand side of the screen now for deposit cash. It's automatically selected pound sterling for me, but as you can see from the drop-down, there's currently 6 other supported currencies too. Next, we choose our deposit method. And we've got the option here of Easy Bank Transfer, PayPal, Manual Bank Transfer, and Etana Custody if you have an account. I'm going to choose the Easy Bank Transfer now. Then enter the amount that you want to deposit, which for me is going to be £50. And continue. You're then going to need to choose which bank you want to deposit from. And if it doesn't appear from here, it won't be supported. I'm going to choose my Monzo account, which is in the UK. And you're then going to see a preview of your deposit. If you're happy, choose to confirm it. Once that's done, you can see from the top of the screen now that the deposit has been initiated and they're confirming the funds. My deposit took less than a minute, but this can obviously vary depending on the method and bank that you've chosen. Then once your cash has been deposited into Kraken, you're going to find that under your portfolio, where my balance has now increased. So now that we've got some cash in Kraken, let's buy some crypto with it. So we're going to go ahead and buy now, which we can reach by choosing Buy Crypto at the top of the screen. This is the Buy, Sell, Convert screen, and we need to ensure that we're on the Buy tab at the top. Now Ethereum is automatically selected for me at the moment. When I click onto that, from the drop-down, we can then choose what we want to buy. And in this example, I'm going to choose Bitcoin, although there are a large range of cryptos that you can choose from. Next, enter the amount of crypto that we want to buy, or we can select a predefined amount underneath or the max available to purchase, or we just simply type in the amount. You'll see that this is currently in GBP, as at the bottom my Pay With option is in pound sterling. However, you can also convert the amounts in your chosen crypto instead by clicking on the button to the right here. With Kraken, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy smaller amounts, which with £50 right now is just 0.00063267 BTC or Bitcoin. Underneath is the order types, so we can choose from buy now or recurring or custom orders, which means that we can buy Bitcoin when it reaches a certain price. Then finally, under Pay With is where you choose from the cash balances, or you can add a payment method and either add a cash payment card or deposit more cash into here. If you prefer to buy your crypto with a card, simply just enter in your card information, including the long card number, expiry, and CVV number, and then continue. And just make sure that this aligns with the details that are held on Kraken. And you will find that some cards don't support crypto purchases too, so you may need to find one that's supported. And in most cases, photo ID is required before you can start adding cards. Then when the card has been added, you'll then find it available under the Pay With option, in the same way that we've got our GBP and our USD balances here. I'm going to go ahead with using the cash in my GBP balance. Then choose Review when you're ready. You're then going to be displayed with an order preview, showing you the amount that you're buying in Bitcoin and the current or live price of Bitcoin or the crypto that you're buying, which will include a spread. For example, if we check out the price we're paying here, for this Bitcoin, you'll see it's £78,238. However, its actual live price on CoinMarketCap is £77,093. So you are paying above the current price and therefore a premium, and this is because of the convenience of buying in this way. There's also a fee here at 50p. And there are ways that you can reduce your fees. So if you're looking at ways to increase your profits, you can check out our full Kraken tutorial. But for the moment and the convenience, I'm going to go ahead with my purchase and confirm. The order will then be submitted and should go through pretty much immediately afterwards. And you'll get access to your crypto instantly, which you're going to find under your portfolio screen. And you can see my Bitcoin balance is now increased. And don't let this confuse you, as I did buy in pounds, but the figure displayed is actually in dollars, and the amount of Bitcoin is underneath. But that completes how to buy crypto with Kraken. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I've also added sign up links to Kraken as well as some useful tools in the description below.